Hello, my friend. You don't hate your spouse. You're just tired. You're just tired of the same argument, tired of the silence, tired of feeling like the distance keeps growing. Yes, you still love each other, but right now, love doesn't feel like it's enough. Here's what we have learned. Most couples don't struggle because they don't care. They struggle because no one ever showed them how to build a successful marriage, how to build a healthy marriage. So you pray, you try harder, you hope things will change, but the same problems keep showing up. Well, hello and welcome. My name is Dauren Francis, and I've been married for almost 32 years. And trust me, we didn't get here by accident. My wife and I, we had our struggles, our ups, our down, our on again, off again, in again, out again. You know, those kind of roller coaster cycle. Yes, we made mistakes. And everything began to change when we decided that we're going to stop doing it society way. We went to therapy, we went to coaching, we went to counseling, but that just was temporary fix. They give us a 3, 4, 5-step process, and then we go back to our default setting. But when we decided to put God first, when we decided to put God back in the driver's seat and do marriage God's way, everything started to change. And that's what this channel is about. Helping couples rebuild their marriage with clarity, with structure, with faith. And we teach the G.R.A.C.E framework. Yes, we called it the G.R.A.C.E framework for a reason, because the acronym GRACE stands for something. The G in grace is God first, Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. The R, renew yourself, that's personal growth and development, that's Genesis chapter 2 and verse 15. The A, agree to honor and respect the covenant of marriage, that's Genesis chapter 2 and verse 24. The C, connect emotionally, relationally, spiritually, and intimately. That's Genesis chapter 2 and verse 23. And the E, educate and equip yourself for marriage. That's Proverbs chapter 24, verse 3 and 4. You see, my friend, this isn't quick advice or some 5-second, 10-second Instagram quote or reel. We're talking about real help for real people with real marriage problems. Because when you start healing and becoming a better version of yourself, you start showing up differently in every area of your life. And that includes your marriage. Your marriage starts to heal. Your peace comes back to you. Yes, your home feels different. You create an environment that you and your spouse can thrive and flourish in. You start to influence change in your marriage through your changed behavior. If that's what you are looking for, I want you to go ahead and do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. My friend, you're in the right place. You are. And we are passionate about adding value to your life and your marriage through this community. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for showing up. Click that like button, and I cannot wait to see you in our future videos. May God bless you. Ain't it great? Bye-bye.